Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh and very good day to everyone. I'm Nur Zamzarina binti Sulaiman. I'm from University Malaysia Kelantan. Today I would like to present our innovation entitled Seismic Reflection Approach by using conventional method amongst undergraduate students. So for the introduction, the seismic reflection is actually a pivotal technique in geophysical exploration that commonly used to investigate the subsurface structures or subsurface conditions. So through a series of hands-on workshops or field surveys, the students engage in collecting and interpreting the seismic data using the standard reflection methodologies, which is by the conventional method. So the objective for this innovation is actually to explore the efficiency and educational value of employing the conventional seismic reflection method amongst the undergraduate students. So for the methodology, this study focused on understanding the seismic wave propagation, data acquisition, and also the data interpretation. So the students were guided through the theoretical foundations of seismic reflection, followed by the practical sessions involving the deployment of seismic sources and receivers, data collection, and also subsequent processing using industry standard software. So the conventional method actually characterized by using, for example, vertical seismic profiling and also surface seismic reflection surveys. That was emphasized to provide a comprehensive of the method's principles and applications. So for the results, okay, by completing the surveys amongst the undergraduate students, so the students will get the output of demonstrated will enhance the skills in identifying and interpreting seismic reflections, understanding subsurface geology, and also employing the seismic data for various applications, such as in oil and gas exploration and also in environmental studies. Okay, so now I would like to present the result of um, the during doing the survey. So for the education level, so divide into two, which is geoscience and engineering part or field. So for the initial rate understanding of seismic reflection method before attending the lab exercise class, during amongst the undergraduate students, 50 students, which is we get the moderate is the highest one, 46%. So for the prior knowledge that students have about the following topics, for example, for the seismic wave propagation, um, the they answer the question. So moderate knowledge among the 50 students that answer the survey. So for the data acquisition techniques, okay, before attending the lab exercise class, so it is moderately knowledge among the students. Okay. So for the seismic data processing, the results show us same 41% sorry, among 50 students, highly and also moderate knowledge. For the subsurface geology, extensively knowledge is 70% and the rest no knowledge. So what is the expectations for this lab exercise class? Mostly it is gaining theoretical knowledge and also hands-on experience with the seismic equipment. It has same result, which is 36%. So how effective were the following components of the lab exercise class? For component theoretical lectures, we get the data or results. 46% is effective during the lab exercise class lah, right? So the practical field sessions, mostly it is effective and get the results 48%. For the data processing activities, the result we get is mostly effective, which is 58%. For the group discussions, we get the results in 54%, mostly effective. So for the how confident are in ability to perform the following tasks after the lab exercise class, for the component process and interpret seismic data, we get the results. Mostly student or half of the student 50% confident level lah. So for the identify subsurface structures using seismic data, mostly 47% is in good level. So how the students understand the seismic reflection methods change after they did the lab exercise class. So 58% is somewhat improved. Okay. Um, um, Before they do the lab exercise class and after they do the lab exercise class, so 58% somewhat improve their knowledge. So another aspect of the lab exercise class, what is the most beneficial to the students? So mostly 46% is answered as hands-on field expertise. Okay, for what the feeling of students feel better prepared for a career in geophysics or related field after this lab exercise class. Mostly students answer is yes, somewhat. Okay, so the questions for the student that would they recommend this lab exercise class to other students, 96% answer as yes. Okay, so for the last one is in technical skills and applications. For application oil and gas exploration, mostly student answer it is capable, right? So for the environmental studies, this answer also capable, which is 52%. For the mineral exploration application, 48%, which is capable. For the earthquake research, 40% answer as capable. So for the conclusion, the feedback from students underscored the value of hands-on learning in mastering complex scientific concepts and preparing for professional challenges in geophysics and related fields. So the implementation of this conventional seismic reflection method in educational settings not only augments students' technical skills, but also enhance their confidence and readiness for industry roles. For future work should explore integrating for the seismic technologies and cross-discipline field. Okay, thank you so much.